Your FTP tells you how fast you can ride, but it fails to predict when you will quit. I'm going to show you the hidden battery inside your muscles that determines the exact second you will crack. Most athletes obsess over critical power, or CP, which is roughly your FTP. This is your engine size, the intensity you can sustain almost indefinitely. But races are won by what happens above this line. Above CP, you are burning W prime. Think of this as a battery measured in kilojoules. We can calculate your exact time to exhaustion by dividing your battery size by how far over threshold you go. Here is the practical reality. If you have a 20 kilojoule battery and you ride 50 watts over your threshold, the math dictates you will physically fail in exactly 400 seconds. No amount of willpower changes this. But here is the trap where most self-coached athletes fail. They treat this battery like a fuel tank that only empties. In reality, it recharges while you ride, but the physics of this recharge are widely misunderstood. Recovery is exponential, not linear. The moment you drop below critical power, your W begins to reconstitute. The further below CP you go, the faster the recharge happens. This leads to the Matchbook strategy. A 30-second coast might recover 15% of your battery, allowing for one final attack. To train this, you must deplete the battery, recover partially, and deplete it again. Stop guessing your limits. Start calculating your bankruptcy point.